Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am diving into a key PowerPoint tool that can make your presentations look polished and professional. The Design tab. If you are ready to take your slides from plain to amazing, stick around. By the end of this video, you will know how to fully leverage the Design tab to make stunning presentations. Now let us get started. First up, let us take a quick look at what the Design tab is all about. In PowerPoint, the Design tab is where you can change the visual style of your slides. It includes features like themes, variants, slide size adjustments, and background customization. It is an essential tool for anyone who wants to give their presentation a unique and cohesive look. The first feature in the Design tab is Themes. Themes are pre-designed templates with coordinated colors, fonts, and effects. They make it easy to apply a professional look to all your slides with just a click. Simply select a theme from the gallery and you will instantly see the difference. A theme can make your presentation look put together and visually appealing without needing design skills. Once you've chosen a theme, you can customize it further using variants. Variants allow you to modify the color scheme and style of your chosen theme to make it better match your content or branding. Variants are a quick way to personalize your presentation while keeping that cohesive, unified design that themes provide. It is perfect if you want a unique look without starting from scratch. Now, let us talk about background customization. The Design tab allows you to choose different background styles like solid fill, gradient fill, and picture or texture fill. This feature is great for adding visual interest to your slides, but remember to keep readability in mind. You want the background to enhance your content and not distract from it. A good background can add just the right touch without overwhelming the audience. Next, we have slide size. This option is really helpful, especially if you are presenting on different types of screens. You can choose between standard and widescreen, or you can even set custom dimensions to fit specific display needs. Picking the right size ensures that your slides look their best no matter where you're presenting. If you want even more control over your backgrounds, you can go to the Format Background pane for advanced options. Here you can adjust transparency and add pattern fills and play with custom effects to make your background unique. These settings can be applied to all slides or just a single one, so it is great for adding variety to specific slides you want to highlight. All right, now that we have covered the main features, let us talk about best practices for using the Design tab. First, keep a balance between design and readability. While a visually engaging slide is great, it should never overpower your content. Next, choose themes and backgrounds that match your topic and make sure they don't clash with your text. And finally, keep accessibility in mind. Make sure the colors you choose have enough contrast so everyone, including people with visual impairments, can read your slides easily. That's a rack on the Design tab in PowerPoint. As you can see, there are tons of ways to make your slides look professional and visually appealing. Whether you're applying themes, customizing backgrounds, or adjusting slide sizes, the Design tab offers you powerful tools to create presentations that leave a lasting impression. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more PowerPoint tips. Comment on anything which you need further. Share it with your friends, everyone you know. I'll see you in the next video.